Before you begin creating your first VideoRez, there are some tools that you'll need to either purchase or to borrow from a friend. The first thing you need is a computer with a high-speed internet connection. You need this to edit and upload your resume to the MyVideoRez.com website, as well as be able to email your profile to prospective employers. Next, you'll need some way to create a video recording of yourself. There are plenty of good quality video cameras on the market, such as the mini DV cameras, the internet video cameras which automatically record at the optimal resolution for today's web, and even webcams with microphones. Whichever you choose, it's important to check that the recording device has a way to transfer the video to the computer where you'll be doing the editing and the uploading. You should also have some way to steady the camera. It could be a camera stand, a desk, a set of books, or ideally a good friend with a very steady hand. The last is ideal if you're planning to move around on the camera. This is useful if you're seeking a hands-on industry, such as an auto mechanic or a computer troubleshooting field. Next, you'll need some video editing software. Now, whether you're on a Mac or a PC, each operating system most likely comes with its own built-in software. Once the video is uploaded to your computer, you may then use the software to edit out any rough spots in the video where you may have not come across the right way on screen. If you don't have a paper-based resume, I suggest you create one. You'll need a word processing program such as Word, WordPerfect, or even OpenOffice. This will be used to create your cover letter and resume. As much as we'd like to think that the paper resume will ultimately go the way of the dinosaur, it won't happen for a while. So don't give employers reason to exclude you from their process. Have a great resume and cover letter to back up your VideoRez. Later in this series, we'll show you how to hone your resume and make it so that it's dressed to impress. Finally, you'll need some communication tools so that you can reach out to and respond to interested employers. You should have an email address, and not one like cutiepie69 at blah blah blah.com or toughguy101 at yada yada yada.com. We're talking about professional sounding email address. Obviously, you should have a cell or a regular phone line so that you can talk to the employer when they contact you. Depending on the company, you might also want to consider using services such as instant messaging, text messaging, or online conferencing. But it is not entirely necessary. In fact, some companies might even frown upon it. Next, we'll learn about preparing for your first VideoRez with a regular resume and a cover letter. Hey, is that a typo?